Hello everybody. If you graphic designer, I think you need to download this extension. Okay, let's start. Just click here, generate, then click the name of project. Example, it's Adidas logo. Then choose the category, brand, choose this logo, target timeline here, three weeks. Then next, age, Gen Z. This is all. This is example, just example. Then modern, clean and friendly, luxury. Next step, yeah, clean. Next step, and here shows the color, palette of color. I like it the red color here. I think yeah, this is the color and the code of color. Next step, here the far SVG we use here. Click no, not here. Delivery SVG, SVG and AE. It's mean Adobe Illustrator, and PNG, APS and GPG. Yeah, then generate. Yeah, it's everything is here. Okay, just download it, then send the PDF to your designer. Click here. Yeah, just wait few time. Yes, everything here, the name of the logo and the style of the logo. Okay, the color. Okay, just download it and send for your designer. Have a nice day.